Introducing the LoRa file namer by Small Zero. I created this app to help manage your files for LoRa creation. It uses JoyCaption hosted locally to give rich descriptions of your photos with tweaks to ensure you get the exact look desired. With a built-in console to give you live updates, or you can view the PowerShell or terminal window for the full output. Once completed, your files will be named properly and your descriptions will be perfectly tailored to match the image exactly. So, how do you get started? Simply join my Patreon at patreon.com/smallzero. Ensure your computer has a dedicated GPU or enough RAM if you are using an M-series Mac. There is instructions provided in the file root, but it's a simple Python app with an HTML interface, so compatibility is no issue.